If you're a nature lover, you need to see these. Here are the top 5 most gorgeous waterfalls in the world. Let's go! First up, Niagara Falls in North America. Known for its sheer power and breathtaking views, it's a must-see. Next, we have Iguazu Falls on the border of Brazil and Argentina. It's not just one waterfall, but a collection of 275. Talk about a watery wonderland. Third, Victoria Falls in Zambia and Zimbabwe. Known locally as the smoke that thunders, it's the largest curtain of falling water in the world. Fourth on our list, Angel Falls in Venezuela. It's the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall, dropping from a height of 3,212 feet. Finally, Plitvice Waterfalls in Croatia. Nestled in a lush green national park, these cascading lakes are pure magic. So which one will you visit first? Let us know in the comments below. See you on the next adventure!